Hello, am I audible?
Yeah, honey.
Okay. So we just wait 5 more minutes for more candidates to join. Okay. So after that, Kavya, you can start the session. Okay.
Hello, ma'am. I'm audible.
Yeah, you are audible.
Shall we start
I
the?
think, you can start the meeting. So one candidate asked right now that is this session about the projects? No, so I'll make you clear that this session has been created to share your knowledge you have in different domains. As many people, many candidates have joined this meeting, till now 12 are there, and you all belongs to different domains, right? Some belongs to AI, some belongs to embedded, Python, uh, DevOps, etc. So all the candidates are welcomed in this session. So if you have any knowledge related to your domain, then you can give, you can share your ideas, your projects, whatever you did, any domain related things in this session. So this types of session is going to be arranged on everyday basis at 7 p.m. So if you feel that yes, you are interested and you can give a session, you can take a session. Means it's generally in half an hour session. So you are kindly welcome for this session. So today we have Kavya from Python AI department. She is going to give her session now. So Kavya, you can start the session.
Okay.
Hmm.
I'm audible?
Yeah, you are audible.
Ma'am, I can't share my screen, ma'am.
Wait, Arifa, are you there? Please allow her to share her screen. Just wait.
Kavya, you just start your share screening.
Ma'am, I can't share, ma'am. It shows this host disabled attend screen sharing.
I think now you have enabled. Arifa, am I right?
No, ma'am, I can't table host
What?
disabled.
Acha, just wait. Arifa, are you here?
Yeah.
Yeah, so just enable her to
Yeah.
share her screen.
You just send me a request, Kavya.
Ma'am, there is no option to send, ma'am. It just disabled pop up message, ma'am.
Okay, then I'm giving the host for you. You can share that. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Now I
Okay.
can. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay, then you can start.
Mm, One second, ma'am. One second, ma'am.
Yeah, fine. Kavya, you are muted, right? Because your voice is not audible.
Now I'm audible, ma'am. Ma'am.
Yeah, Kavya, you are audible now.
Yeah, you are audible.
Uh, and the type of algorithm is supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning, and semi-supervised learning. Imagine you are trying to teach a child to recognize different types of animals. You show them picture of cats, dogs, and birds, and they start to learn what makes each one unique. After a while, they can look at a new picture and say, "Oh, that's a cat." Likewise, machine learning is
Excuse
like
me,
that.
Kavya. Sorry to interrupt you, but your screen is not visible right now.
Now, ma'am.
No, not
Now,
yet. Yeah, now it's visible. Yes.
okay. Let us see one real-time example for machine learning. Imagine you are trying to teach a child to recognize different types of animals. You show them picture of cats, dogs, and birds, and they start to learn what makes each one unique. After a while, they can look at a new picture and say, "Oh, that's a cat." Machine learning is like that, but for computer, it's a way for them to learn from data and make predictions or decisions on their own. And supervised learning, this is like showing the child pictures of animals. For example, supervised learning is showing the child pictures of animals and telling them what each one is. The computer learns from labeled data and can make prediction based on that. And this is the real time example of supervised learning. And the unsupervised learning is giving the child a banana of pictures and letting them figure out what groups they can be stored into. For example, yeah, grouped into. The computer finds patterns in the data without being told what to look for. And we will move on to reinforcement learning. This is okay. This is like letting the child play with the toy and rewarding them when they do something right. The computer learns through a trial and error, getting feedback on its action. For example, uh, positive feedback, it is two types: positive feedback and negative feedback. It learned by its experience. We can use this application in game playing robotics, and this is another example. And some challenges in ML is data quality. The computer can only learn from the data it's given. So if the data is bad, the prediction will be too. And if the model is too complex, it can be hard to understand why it's making certain prediction. If the data is biased, the model can learn those bias and make unfair prediction. Overall, machine learning is a really useful tool for making prediction and improving decision making. But it's not a magic solution. It requires careful consideration of the data and the model to get good result. And why we need ML is, we see dark clouds in the sky, immediately we would predict it is going to rain. Simple. This is prediction through the training we received from childhood. This is the same concept we use ML. We train, we get the machine working, repeatedly working with no human intervention. So, so machines cannot deny the order you gave. So make the machines works, but with the intelligence you ask for. This is the need of machine learning. The application of ML is Facebook recommending your friend suggestion, Amazon recommending you your products, Flipkart recommending you the products, Netflix recommendation, and so far. The framework is, first we collect the data and we pre-process that, and we build the model and we test the model and we visualize to improve. And the applications of MLS: speech recognition, traffic prediction, product recommendations, self-driving cars, email spam and malware filtering, virtual personal assistant, online fraud detection, stock market trading, medical diagnosis, automatic language translation, image recognition. Today is we will discuss about introduction of ML, applications, advantages, why we need ML, and what is the branch of ML, and uh, how we use ML. This is our session. Any doubt? Anybody? Have any doubt?
Guys, if you have any doubt, then you can share it, or if you want to share some knowledge related to this, then you are also welcome here. So out of 10 candidates present over here, so anyone wants to share anything related to their domain, then you can kindly share your screen and you can even share your ideas too. I think no more doubts, right?
Okay. Can I give the summary of the session?
Yeah, Kavya, you can.
Overall, overall, machine learning is a
Yeah.
really overall machine learning is a really useful tool for making predictions and improving decision making. But it's not a magic solution. It requires careful consideration of the data and the model to get results, and is really powerful for for image recognition and speech recognition and recommendation system. In image recognition, self-driving cars can recognize object on the road like other cars. In speech recognition, virtual assistant like Siri and Alexa can understand what you are saying and respond accordingly. In recommendation systems, online stores can suggest products based on what you have looked at or bought before. Machine learning is really useful tool for making prediction. That's all, ma'am. Amma, charge. Is anybody willing to present your project to knowledge transfer in any domain?
Yeah, it's a meet and greet session. It will get started from 7:30 p.m. So those whoever candidates were joined here, so be there. It will start from 7:30. But before that, we have organized a knowledge exchange session from 7 p.m. So it's regarding that only.
After
Anyone
some
wants to say anything?
after 7:30 we have meeting, ma'am.
Yeah. After 7:30 we have.
For which domain, ma'am?
For every domain, there's a meet and greet means interview round for each and every domain. I think no more doubts. So at last, I want to say that candidates who think that yes, he or she can present or give a lecture or an half an hour session in their domain, then you can DM me in WhatsApp. You can share me your PPT, or you can even tell me in which day you want to give it. Okay, you are welcome there. So the candidates who have just joined for the knowledge exchange session can now leave it. Can now leave this session, okay? Because from 7:30 it's going to start a meet and greet session.